welcome to Step Class with Chelsea. Anytime that you need to take a break, pause the video, take a break, as much rest as you need, take your time with it. Any exercises you find hard, make sure you adapt them. And let's get started with the warm-up. Okay, ready? Just start with marching on the spot. Get your arms moving. Lift your knees as high as you can, but not too high, don't worry about it. Just keep your body moving, get it warm. Say another Okay, grab a quick drink as well. Okay, so your first exercise is going to be step overs. No, step ups. Step ups. My mistake. So step ups. If you can't step all the way up either, so if you're on the floor with nothing, just step forward, nice and quick. You've got a step, you're going to step up and down. Okay? And you can go faster, slower, it's your own pace. Take your time with it. Okay, so we're going to do 30 seconds, 10 seconds rest, remember if you need more rest, pause the video, and we're going to repeat that exercise and then move on to the next one. Okay? Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, step ups. Keep your body moving, keep those legs going, get your arms involved. Nice pace. Halfway. You've got 10 seconds left, keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10 seconds rest, and the same one again. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. So keep it going. Keep breathing. Keep smiling. More than halfway. 10 seconds left. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Step overs is next. So remember, if you haven't got a step, I want you just to step to the side. Okay? So ready? So we're going to start in the middle. Step over. Take your time again, nice and slowly. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice and easy. Keep breathing. Keep going. That's 10 seconds done. Keep going. Keep a nice bounce if you can. If not, just slow it down. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10 seconds rest. Ready? Same exercise again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, off we go. Keep this bounce if you can. Like I said, slow it down if not. That's it. Keep going, keep breathing. 10 seconds left. Last time you're doing this one, push out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Next one, you've got step up jump box. Okay, so you're going to go up, squat, back down. If you can't do that, I want you just to squat, step forward, squat, step back, squat. Okay? Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, off we go. Get nice squats in. Up and down. Keep breathing, keep your posture. Nice strong frame. seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good, grab a drink. Okay, for this next one, you can have your step and possibly a mat. If you've got a mat at home, great. If not, use a towel instead. So when you just purr, just half the mat there. So you just need it for your knees so you don't get sore knees. So the first exercise is going to be press ups. So I'm either going to do like this. So on my knees, hands on the box, press up and back up. If you need it to go harder, stay on your feet, not your knees. But if you need it easier, against the wall and press up and back against the wall. Okay, so you do it all with me. Same thing again as the last one. 30 seconds of the exercise, 10 seconds rest. Ready? First one, off you go. Nice and slowly, keep a strong core, strong shoulders. Keep looking forward. Keep your neck and spine nice and straight. Ten seconds left. 5 seconds left. And relax. 10 seconds rest, same one again. Get yourselves ready. And off you go. Remember, try not to dip your head, keep your head up. Ready? And go. 10 seconds left, keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. This time, if you went up on your right side, I want you to go up on your opposite hand, so your left side. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, and go. Keep it going, keep your core nice and strong. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Grab a drink again. Okay, I want you to move your mats out of the way now. Still need your box. Again, if you just do it on the floor, do exactly the same exercises on the floor, not elevated. Okay, so the first one's going to be lunges. So all I want you to do is just lunge to the box, dip, back up, other leg, dip, back up. Okay? 30 seconds, 10 seconds rest again. Do this one twice and move on to the next one. Get ready and go. Nice and slowly squeeze those legs. That's it, keep it going. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10 seconds, same exercise again. 3, 2, 1, off we go. Try and keep your upper body nice and straight. Dip that knee at the back. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Squats next, okay? So you can either step up, step down, do a nice deep squat, step up, step down, nice deep squat, or if you haven't got a step like I said, just nice deep squat, hold it at the top, make sure you squeeze your hips in, and then repeat, okay? 30 seconds, get ready, go. Nice deep squat, remember keep your torso up nice and strong. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. 10 seconds. Right, you stepped up with your left foot. Step up with your right this time. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Wrong leg. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Calf raises next. So, doing it without anything. Try and focus on a point on the floor so you've got your balance. 10 seconds. All the way down, all the way up. Squeeze the calves. 5, 3, 2, 1, and relax. One more of those. And then we've got one more round after this. Off we go. Up and down, up and down. Squeeze the calves. Feel them burning. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Grab a drink. Okay, we need our mats again. Remember, every exercise you're doing, you can do without a step now. So the first one we've got is Russian twists. There's loads of different ways you can do this, so it's completely up to you. But the one I would recommend is put your feet up so you're elevated. You're going to lay back, lift up slightly, and you're just going to touch either side. If you want to use a chair, so you're not higher, just touch either side of the chair with your feet flat in a 90-degree angle on the floor, on the chair. Or you can do it much harder, have your body up, back off the floor, like that. Or you can have your feet on the floor like that. Completely up to you. But if you haven't got a step, you can put your feet flat, lay back, like I said, lift your shoulders up and just touch either side. Like I said, loads of different ways, it's completely up to you. But same thing again, 30 seconds, 10 seconds rest, twice. So feet up, get ready, off we go. Lift, touch. Really feel those obliques and abs squeezing. Remember to keep breathing, this is an awkward position. Got 10 seconds. Really squeeze them out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10 seconds. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, off we go. Touch. Squeeze. Really squeeze them. You can't feel them, there's something wrong with you. I can. Got 10 seconds left. I can't talk when doing that. 5, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Brilliant. Okay, don't know where I'm going with my feet. You've got glute bridges next. Okay, so again, you haven't got to step, feet flat on the floor, bring them in as far as you can. The further in your feet and your ankles are to them, that's your glute bridge. But again, adjust it to your ability. So all you're going to do, hands flat on the floor, squeeze up, back down. But we're going to do it with a step if we can. So your feet are going to be on the step, and you squeeze up and down. It's just so by elevating your feet, you can get more into those glute muscles and squeeze. Okay? 30 seconds, 10 seconds rest again. Get ready. Off we go. Squeeze and back down. Take your time. Keep breathing. Really squeeze. You don't want to rush this exercise. 10 seconds left. Keep squeezing. and relax. Good. Last one, leg raises. So we're going to use the box again, but like I said, you don't have to have the box. The box makes it easier, I think, because obviously the lower down you go, the more you're going to use your abs and squeeze and it's going to hurt. So the box is here. So I want you to just put your hands slightly under your bum to make it easier. Legs are on the box, you're going to lift it up, back to the box, up, back to the box. Okay? So again, you can take the box away and go down and try not to touch your feet on the floor, back up. That makes it really hard, but let's use the box, shall we? Okay, ready? 30 seconds. Off we go. Up and down. You should really feel it in there. Right in your rubber donuts. Got 10 seconds. I can definitely feel it in my donut. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Last exercise, completely. Really put everything into it now. 3, 2, 1, and go. Yeah. Really squeeze them. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Well done. Grab a drink. Okay, move all your equipment out of the way now. We're just going to do some stretches. Okay, first one you're going to do is, for those triceps, you're going to pull your arm across. You need to hold it either on your forearm here, or just above. Don't hold it on your elbow. If you feel like you need a little bit more of a stretch, bend it, pull it in. Okay? See that? Hold that stretch. Deep breaths in and out, nice and relaxed. And swap arms. And then I'm going to put your palms facing back, squeeze those elbows together, just like that. Really open that chest. Good, and then I want you to bend one knee, other leg nice and straight, toes up, either lean against the wall or on your bent leg. Do not touch the straight leg. You should feel that all the way in the back of your hamstrings and calf. Good, and then swap that over. Remember, don't lean on that leg. Toes up so you really get that stretch. Again, lean on the wall for this one if you need to, but stretch back. Oh, yeah, that was a risk. There we go. Right. If you can't pull your leg all the way up, bring a chair forward and lean that leg on the chair so you feel that stretch. Okay, then other side. And then I want you to keep your feet nice and flat on the floor. Stretch down as far as you can. If it's only here, that's fine. There, that's fine. All the way down, fine. But obviously, all the way down is great. Good. And then last two, I just want you to put one palm on the other, push down, and try and push your head into your arms. You feel this stretch. sure you drink plenty of water.